We're live.
Yeah, this is Ghost 420 and Sam Naga coming to you live on YouTube. You know,
Sam Naga streamer,
We've been drinking, we got sipping on some scissor.
Yeah, man.
We got the drink.
Yeah, man, I got these cheeseburgers.
Got the shirt lock rolling. We got the mini bong going. We got the baseball bat going right here. We got all kinds of shit,
I can't hold it.
That's how we do it, but we'll take a hit for you and then do a little something.
Smokers, section 102, in the smokers pendulum, in the smokers section of the penal code 420. They must smoke it and achieve it.
So you know how we keep it doing. Only Los Angeles knows how to party, you know what I'm saying?
You want to be a smoker, if you don't have two lighters, or more than two lighters, everybody should have a lighter. You don't have a lighter, it's a party foul. Party foul. Party foul. Hate that shit when you go somewhere and you want to smoke something so bad and you know you ain't got no lighter. Party foul. Party foul. Party foul. Burn like a crackhead. Even. That shit's too strong.
DJ, we come. Alright. I think they're ready for this. Jet off.
A freestyle?
Sam Naga 310.
310?
Yeah, I'm different.
He different.
Yeah, I'm different. I'm really different. I came up in this game and I'm killing all my competition. Better listen, cause I ain't ever missing. I'm coming up with my new sniper. I'm really hitting. I hit them in their chest. I hit them in their head. I'm watching this shit as they lie there dead. Cause they try stepping to the G.O.D. I'm coming in the game, healing all the harmony. Cause I'm about to do it with this illest rhythm. I'm coming up in the game like there ain't no serum. Yes, you can't hear him as he lies on the floor crying like another little dirty whore. Shut the door. Turn the lights out. Here comes the boogeyman. Really about to make him really shout. He goes into the corner. Coming in the game. I'm about to hit him with another straight hitter. Go get her. Sam Naga go bitter. About to do the shit like a really fucking killer. Get her.
I think I'm in the fucking throat. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, little homie gon' choke on his own blood. Said he thought he was a thug, but little nigga didn't know that he fucked up when he knuckled up with the big road dog. We loco. Have a nigga calling up the wall. Don't give a fuck. You got bigger balls, well, homie, I don't give a fuck. One punch break your jaw. I'm a secret fool. Watch what I do. Don't give a fuck. Sad trip from trying to look cool. Nigga, I'm fool. I'll stick this motherfucking Jagger in you. Don't give a fuck. Trying to sad trip. Nigga, get a grip. Don't give a fuck. Yeah, let him off. Unload the whole clip. If you want a sad trip, then I push my stick in your motherfucking bitch, too. I'll take your whole family out. Don't know what I do. Nigga, I ain't cold. I'm just a motherfucking thug. Come big and bold. Motherfuckers know it's the West Imperial. I'm getting down with these motherfucking gangster flows off the top of my head. Leave them with one shot, then they dead. Don't do a drive-by. Hell nah, it's the OG shit. Walk up and show you hit everything you want to fucking hit. It's the American dream. Try to look at me, nigga. Look at the gleam in my face. Nigga, no, they ain't like me. I'm a boss for show. I don't back down. See, if it's on the scrap. Well, if it has to be the last, then I have the last laugh. What?
Yeah, here we are again. Motherfuckers ready to do it, live the life of sin. Keep drinking the juice and gin. Here we come, I'm about to do it. Come up again. I'm about to hit them raw, about to break their fucking jaw. I didn't give a fuck, I'm coming in the game on the wall. Posted up like another type of theme. I'm coming in this game, watching these bitches scream. On their knees, baby, please do a G. Coming in the shit, cause you know it had to be like a new type of dream. Here I am, I'm the fantasy motherfucker, about to be the real man. Watch him going, here I'm showing.
showing. Don't give a
This
fuck.
shit they ain't knowing. I'm about to spit the illest, the realest, the stone cold killers coming up to the stage. Can these boys feel it? I'm ready to get them. I'm ready to hit them. I didn't give a fuck. I'm out to be the DJ, keep spinning them. I take their life. I spit they throw with their knife. I didn't give a fuck. I don't do this shit from the day to the night. Ooh, I'm getting faded. I didn't give a shit. We get the game straight, X-rated.
Big Kim stuff. Don't give a fuck. You know you trying to call my bluff. Well, I'll leave you in the dust. For sure, I don't give a fuck. Niggas think they come on swole. Hit the motherfucking dude low. Watch your back. You trying to come around me, you better have a bigger strap. 310 sound like a 310. Just a little flow, but we'll keep them on the go.
It's never ending.
Yo, check this shit out, check this shit out. Look here, I don't change.